Hey everyone, welcome to my FlaxxaWapi software review. Today, I'm excited to dive into an amazing tool that's transforming how businesses use WhatsApp for marketing and automation. FlaxxaWapi. If you're looking to boost your business with a 24/7 automated WhatsApp system, you're in the right place. FlaxxaWapi WhatsApp Automation Tool is WhatsApp marketing and automation software to send bulk messages, set up chatbots, reply bots, and autobots. This software uses advanced AI technology to turn your WhatsApp messages into high-converting sales machines. In today's digital world, outdated marketing channels are losing their edge. WhatsApp automation is where the real results are, and with FlaxxaWapi, you'll have 99.99% open rates, unmatched engagement, and conversions like never before. Best part is it's 20x more affordable than competitor tools, but affordability is just the beginning. FlaxxaWapi leverages advanced AI to craft personalized messages, schedule campaigns, and analyze engagement with ease. This all-in-one platform replaces multiple tools, seamlessly handling broadcast messages, customer support, promotional campaigns, and more. Now let's see how this FlaxxaWapi WhatsApp automation tool does really works.
Hello. So in this demo, I'm going to show you briefly how powerful and easy is FlaxxaWapi to use. As you can see right here, from a first glance, the welcome message where it says welcome back, there's send campaign, create content, create reply bot, create template. We've got, you can change the whole language right here. You can create multiple brands as well and switch up from the gear right here. As well, there's too many different widgets that will show you how to navigate quickly. So if you want to go to the contact list, you can press on this button. You can go to your groups, which are basically segments of your customers. So say you have different segments, freebie seekers or buyers or etc. This is where the groups come in. Okay, here you got the Facebook catalog, and you can access it from here by connecting it to Facebook. There's the knowledge base and the demo video. Now, first things first is you need the phone number. And what we've provided here is this tab where you can grab a phone number from different companies at a really nice price. So as you can see, we've got Twilio, Vonage, Numero, Plivo, your business number, Telnix, which is very cheap. Look at that, $1. We've got Ring Central and Hushed, which I personally use. I like it because I use a second number. You need to get a number that is not connected to WhatsApp previously, and this is only for FlaxxaWapi, initiated and used by your WhatsApp business. Okay. The second thing you need to do is create a brand. Now I'm going to show you. I've got a brand right here, which is already created under this phone number. And usually how the setup is done is by adding a brand. All you got to do is name the brand. So Faraz new brand, and you type a description, you place a logo, place the time zones, say you're in the US, EST or EDT, right here, company name for Raz's company, and the phone number. Okay, so this was the phone number that I had previously, and you just submit. Now, I'm gonna show you one thing quickly right here, just for the demo purposes. I'm gonna place one of my Canadian numbers in here so to show you how it's done. Okay, 210 5335, submit. As you can see, it's gonna tell me it's not connected. So I gotta press now on the WhatsApp setup. And this will bring in Facebook Meta. So this will add it and add this number to your Facebook Meta account. So continue as far as allow me, connect, and here, get started. You place multiple, so it takes some information. Okay, next. And I want to call it test, etc. So this is one account, business account that I created. Okay, create new account. See, that's the previous one. I'm creating a new one for you just to show you for testing purposes. Category education, for example, and that's that. Okay, now we place 226, 210, 5335. And next, I'll get a text message, verify it, and we're done. Okay, as you can see right here. Okay, now I'll wait the verification code and I'll place it in here. Okay, I got it. So it's 238 700. Boom. And now the number is added. It's the official WhatsApp number that we're going to use for the business with Meta through FlaxxaWapi. Congratulations. Cool. Finish. Done. It's set up. And all we gotta do is refresh. Boom, we're connected. Now, I'd really like to use the first brand, the one that I'm actually using right now, which is that one right here, not the new one. I just did this for testing purposes to show you how to add the number. Well, we're gonna use the active one right now, right here. You can switch right from here. See, Ferez new brand, but we're sticking with this one for now. Now you can go to the contact tab. Here you can create groups. What does groups mean? It's the same thing as segments and tags, So with your email marketing application, whether you're using Aweber, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, you usually create segments or tags and you add those segments or lists to that specific segment. Here you can create groups. So groups is basically segments. All you gotta do is add a new group and say freebie seekers. So this is the list of freebie seekers, right? I answered and boom, it's done. Now all I have to do is go to import. All I gotta do is go to import and choose a file. You need to have two headers, the phone number and the name. If you want a sample file, you press on this button. It will give you a sample file. You fill the numbers, you fill the names, and you import the contacts. That's it. They're done. And you select the freebie seekers, for example, and boom, it's done. Here we got templates. Now, I want to show you something really cool right here. In the brand section, obviously, you want to get the widget on your website, and this is how you do it. Okay, if you look right here closely, you can press on this button and you go to customize. Now, this widget right here, I'll show you an example. We've added it right on this page, the pre-sale page of FlaxxaWapi. And as you can see, that's the widget. So if you exit and then you pop up, this is what happens. This is the template which we're actually creating right here. Okay, so you can customize everything. Well, we have it. Welcome to test. Thank you for reaching out to us on WhatsApp. We're here to assist you with anything you need, whether you have questions, need support, blah, blah, blah. You can actually customize it. Change the button color to, for example, blue, purple, etc. and save. Okay, as you can see right here. Boom, it's done. And then all you get to you get the code and you place it on your website. Now, for templates, give me 1 second. Okay, I have an error here. Okay, let's go through the broadcast campaigns. Right here is where you create a broadcast and you send it to your contacts. It's very easy. All you gotta do is create a new campaign. You name it like an email marketing, select the template, select the contacts, and schedule, apply to proceed, and done. Okay, and then everything is gonna be right here. Whatever you write within is gonna show right in here. Okay, now something else. We've got something called chats inbox. As you can see right here, see that? Okay, for example, so this is the chat. So once you're integrated and someone contact you, you can create different automations. So option 1, 2, 3, etc. And if you click on option 2, it gives you different flows so that it makes it easier for your customers to get to what they want. So say they want to contact customer support. When they say hello, they get different, see, said hello right here. They get, this is Faraz Alami, blah, 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 digital strategist. There's option one, say contact support. Option two, do you want more information? Option three, etc. And then you can create more flows the same way you do it with email marketing or anything else or a normal chatbot on your website. And we'll go them through that flow until they get to what they want. If they're not satisfied, they want to talk to a representative. Obviously, here you can assign representative and you can chat with them right from here. Right here, we got reply bots as well. So you can assign different bots for each step. Like I shown you, there's option one, which is step one, for example, step two, step three. You can assign bots and answers right in the reply bots within here and create different templates. Now, with the WhatsApp flaws, you can actually create different flows as well right from here with no issues. So you name the flaw, screen title, for example, feedback, continue, add content, say text, okay, small heading, welcome to Faraz Alami. Please give us and leave your feedback. For example, this is a flaw, right? Continue on. Once they continue, create another flaw and etc. Okay, here we got the commerce catalog. So you can actually connect your catalog on Facebook with here, and you can add items like you're on Shopify, but now it's on WhatsApp. Okay, create the image, title, description, condition, new, refurbished, used, price, and the website link. And now all of that will show as a catalog on the business website number, and all your clients can see all of that without bothering you and can see how many, what's the price, etc., and the availability. Because if it's not available, you just take it out and submit it, change it to sold out. Okay, next thing, there's integrations. Obviously, we've got multiple integrations. You can integrate with Shopify, WooCommerce, Razorpay, Zapier, and there's Stripe and PayPal that we're integrating as we speak, so that people and customers can buy, whether it's a digital download, a software, a product, or an appointment, even for heading to the dealership and paying $5, for example, to reserve a spot, or a dentist, or a lawyer, etc. You can now take payment by Stripe and PayPal using those integrations. Now, the rest of the demo will be on the upgrade pages, and we're good for now. Thank you so much for watching.